Most beginner traders focus on daily charts and end up getting confused by constant price movements. But what if I tell you, you might be looking at the market the wrong way? In this video, I will show you a simple comparison between daily charts and weekly charts and how this small shift can completely improve your trading decisions. Let's start with a practical example.
Here I have a simple dataset of daily price movement. Let's convert this into line chart. So for this purpose, I'm going to select this data and then I'll go to the Insert tab. Here in the recommended chart, I'll select this line chart and click OK. So this will create a line chart using this data. Now look at this chart. Price is moving up, then down, then up again, and then down. This creates confusion. As a trader, you might think, is this a breakout? Should I enter here? Or is this a reversal? But in reality, most of these movements are just noise. Small fluctuations that don't represent the real market directions. This is where most beginners make mistakes. They react to every small move. Now let's look at the same idea from a higher time frame. So here is a weekly data for the same type of the movement. Let's create a line chart first. Again, for this purpose, I'm going to select this data. I'll go to the Insert tab. I'll click on this recommended chart and select this line chart and click OK. I'm just going to adjust this y-axis. For this purpose, I'm going to double click it and it will open this axis option. Here for the minimum, I'm going to set 80 because there is no figure less than 80. So this will shift my chart to more clearer picture. I'm going to adjust its size. Now look at this chart. Suddenly everything looks much cleaner. Instead of random movements, we can clearly see direction. Price is generally moving upward with small pullbacks in between. This is what we call the trend, and this is what professional traders focus on. Now let's compare both charts. Daily chart, messy, confusing, unpredictable. Weekly chart, clean, structured, and directional. Daily chart shows noise, weekly chart shows direction. And in trading, direction is far more important than noise. Here's a simple way to use this in your trading. First, always start with the weekly chart. Understand overall direction and then move to the daily chart only to refine your entry. This way, you stop guessing and start following the market. Avoid this mistake. Don't make directions based on only daily charts and don't react to every small movement you see. Always remember this rule. Higher time frame give direction, lower time frame give entry.
So if you want to improve your trading, stop focusing only on daily charts and start looking at the bigger picture. If you found this helpful, make sure to subscribe for more practical and simple trading strategies using Microsoft Excel.